Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're tired of battling dry, damaged hair that just won't cooperate, I've got something that might just change the game for you. Today, I'm reviewing the L'Oréal Professionnel Paris Absolute Repair Molecular Hair Mask, designed to repair damage, restore strength, and deliver some serious hydration. This hair mask is part of L'Oréal's Absolut Repair line, and it's all about restoring your hair to its former glory. Whether your hair has been through a lot of heat styling, color treatments, or just daily wear and tear, this mask promises to help. With its peptide bonder system, it's geared to fight the signs of damage and provide some much-needed nourishment. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The L'Oréal Professionnel Paris Absolute Repair Molecular Hair Mask is specifically formulated for extremely dry and damaged hair. It's a liquid-based mask with a lightweight yet rich texture that helps in smoothing and detangling the hair. One of the star ingredients here is peptides, which are known for their ability to penetrate the hair's structure, strengthening and repairing it from within. The formula promises visibly restored hair after just one use when used in conjunction with the accompanying shampoo and rinse-off serum. Now, I'll admit, when I first tried this mask, I was curious to see if it could live up to its claims, especially with the promise of repairing 2 years of damage in one go. I've got fairly dry ends from regular styling, so I was hoping for a major improvement. The mask was easy to apply, and I noticed it absorbed quickly into my hair without feeling heavy or greasy. After leaving it on for the recommended time and rinsing, my hair felt noticeably softer, smoother, and more hydrated. I took this mask through a few real-world tests. First, on a day when my hair was looking particularly parched and tangled. The difference was pretty remarkable. Not only did the detangling improve significantly, but my hair also felt lighter and looked shinier. I also noticed less frizz, which is a major win for anyone with dry hair like mine. The true test was when I used it after a long day of heat styling. My hair usually feels frazzled by the end of the day, but after using this mask, it felt like I had just walked out of a salon. In terms of performance, the mask definitely delivers on its promise to hydrate and detangle. The texture is light enough to avoid weighing down the hair, but still rich enough to provide deep conditioning. However, the big claim about repairing 2 years of damage in just one use is something I'm skeptical about. While my hair definitely felt improved, I'd say this is a treatment you need to keep using over time for lasting results. It's not a one-and-done fix, but it's certainly a great option for ongoing hair care. Pros: hydrates and detangles hair beautifully, lightweight yet rich formula, noticeable shine and reduced frizz, peptides to strengthen and repair hair, cruelty-free, so it's a more ethical choice. Cons: the 2 years of damage claim is a bit of a stretch after just one use. Requires consistent use to see longer-term results. The price may be steep for some, especially if you're on a tight budget. When it comes to value for money, the L'Oréal Professionnel Paris Absolute Repair Molecular Hair Mask is a bit on the higher end of the price spectrum. That said, if you're looking for a treatment that really works to repair and nourish your hair, it may be worth the splurge. The key ingredients are high quality, and the results are noticeable. It's a great investment if you're dealing with dry, damaged hair and want something that delivers noticeable, professional-grade results. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly, there are other deeply hydrating masks out there that won't break the bank. However, I would say that the peptide-based formula here is what makes this mask stand out. So if you're after professional-level care, this one is tough to beat. Now let's talk about longevity. The packaging is solid, and the product is designed to last a good while if used consistently. As for how long the effects last, you're going to see the best results with regular use, and the mask doesn't lose its potency over time, so I'm confident it will continue to deliver. In terms of customer service, I haven't had direct experience with L'Oréal's support for this product, but the brand is well known for good customer care and quick responses to queries. So to wrap it up, does the L'Oréal Professionnel Paris Absolute Repair Molecular Hair Mask live up to its claims? In short, yes, but with a little nuance. It's an excellent treatment for dry, damaged hair that offers immediate results in terms of hydration and detangling. However, if you're expecting a miraculous recovery from years of damage in one use, that's a bit of a stretch. For best results, this is something you'll want to incorporate into your routine regularly. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss any more honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you quality content like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Stay beautiful inside and out, and until next time, take care.